how to buy Camino network token. So this token came under the symbol of CAM. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Take the amount in the description box. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here. As you can see, you'll be able to see two exchange platforms, the MEXC and the Gate.io. Now, if you want to select the MEXC, as you can see, click on this pair here. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go and you will be find a referral codes down in description. Go and create an account on it. So you will be able to get free money, rewards on crypto with that referral codes to benefit from that. So after you create an account and fund your account with some USDT, now here you can buy this token. Now if you click on limits here, set the amount that you want to buy with that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will pay of USDT. Now after that, click on buy CAM and you will be able to buy this token on your account. If you click on market here, what you need to do is just drag this to set how much a percentage that you will be use of that USDT you have an account, so to buy with it this token. So after that, click on buy CAM and you will be able to buy this token on your MEXC. So this is how to buy Camino network token or CAM token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.